In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your country on Udemy. Whether you've moved to a new country or need to update your payment information, changing your country settings can be crucial for accessing the right content and currency on the platform. Let's go through the process together, step by step. First, you'll want to start by opening up your preferred web browser. The first step is to head over to the Udemy website. Just type Udemy into your search engine, and it should come up right at the top of your search results. Click on the link to navigate to the main Udemy homepage. Once you're on Udemy's homepage, you'll need to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. Here, you'll find a section labeled Help and Support. Click on this link to access the help resources provided by Udemy. This is where you can find answers to a wide range of questions, including how to change your account settings. When you arrive on the Help and Support page, you'll see a search bar with a prompt that says, "How may we help you?" This is where you can enter your query. Simply type in something like, "Change country settings," to get started on finding the exact information you need. After you've entered your question and hit Enter, you should see a list of results pop up. Look for the first article that appears, as it's likely the most relevant and up-to-date with the information you require. Scroll through the article to gather a general understanding, but the main point you'll want to pay attention to is located in the right sidebar of the page. Here, you'll see an option labeled Contact Us. Clicking this will set you on the path to getting your country details updated with Udemy support. At this stage, a chat pop-up will become available at the bottom right corner of your screen. This is where you can explain your issue, either by typing to a support bot or, if available, a customer representative. You'll want to provide a brief but clear explanation that states you need to update your country or location and currency settings so they have the necessary context to assist you. Once you've explained your situation, the support team will ask for any essential information required to process your request. Be sure to provide this in a timely manner and follow any extra instructions they give you. They are there to help ensure your account reflects the correct regional settings. And that's it. With these steps followed precisely, you'll be able to successfully update your country on Udemy, allowing you to access content and currency settings that are relevant to your current location. Thanks for watching, and happy learning on Udemy.